good morning, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried dumpling. I made a video. I have a video on YouTube, but it's actually like 15 minutes. And I posted on YouTube and the video went viral. So there wasn't any description of how I prepare my fried dumpling. I was just cooking one day and I said, let me make some fried dumpling, and I video, and the clip was like 15 minutes and I put it on Facebook. But today I'm going to show you guys how I actually make my fried dumplings. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. So over here I have my flour, I have some salt, I have my baking powder, and I have some butter here. So right about now I'm gonna sieve some flour, and this measurement is 1 cup, so I'm gonna use like 2 cups of flour. So I'm gonna sieve it in the strainer. So I put 1 more cup, so I'm using like 2 cups. And the reason why I sieve the flour, because I want it to be very light and smooth. So now I'm gonna add a little salt. So this is like 1 teaspoon. So this is baking powder. So I'm gonna add like 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Because remember, you can't put too much baking powder. If you put too much baking powder, it's gonna be it's gonna swell and bake. And if you have to use a discretion, because if you don't put enough baking powder in it, the dumpling is gonna be hard. Here I have some butter here, so I'm gonna put a little butter in it. The butter give it that nice fluffiness inside the middle, and it had a taste to it. So I'm gonna need my dumpling. I already washed my hands already, so I'm gonna use like lukewarm water, not too hot, really lukewarm. Okay. So as you can see, my dough is ready. So I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna cover it up and let it sit for like 5 minutes. So over here now I have my Dutch pot with some oil in it. So I'm gonna let the oil hot, but you're not gonna make it too hot. You're just gonna make it like medium hot, because you don't want it to be too hot, and as you put the dumpling in, the dumplings start to turn brown. So you have to let it and put it on low heat so the heat can penetrate inside the middle of the dumpling. So meanwhile the oil is getting hot, I'm making the dumpling in the meantime. You can make them to any size you want. You don't want to make them too big, because remember there's baking powder inside and they're gonna rise. So as you can see, the dumplings already, I made them. And guys, you can add a little sugar inside your dumpling also, but I choose not to put any sugar because I don't really fool around sugar. So the oil is hot. I'm gonna drop my dumplings in. So you see, that's the heat that you should have under the fire, not too high. So I'm only making 6 dumplings because I'm just making a tutorial for you guys, because people are requesting and asking me to show them how I made my fried dumplings. So that's how I make my fried dumpling. So I'm gonna put a cover on it and let it stay there and steam, and then when I open it I'm gonna turn, and then you guys gonna see. So I'm gonna turn them. I already turned 2 already. See, has a color. So I'm gonna cover it back. So the next time you guys see me take off the cover, the dumpling should be ready. Look at those dumplings, look at the color, look at that dumpling. It looks so delicious. So I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take them out in a very short while. I'm giving it like 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna take them out. So okay guys, my dumplings are ready. I turn off the stove and I'm gonna take them out now. So guys, look at these delicious dumpling. That's how your dumpling's supposed to look. Well cooked. Well cooked inside. Look at that. Look at this. I'm going to break one more. Look at this. That's how your dumpling's supposed to look inside. Look at that. That's how your dumpling's supposed to look. Well cooked inside. So once more, that's how I cook my fried dumpling. And when I'm gonna have my fried dumpling with some ackee and corn pork that I have left over in my fridge, because I don't throw away leftovers. I'm from Jamaica, where we eat leftovers. What I basically put inside my dumplings, I put flour. I sieve my flour. I use 2 cups of flour. I sieve my flour. I put little salt, baking powder, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and I put some butter. So once more, that's my fried dumplings. Golden and nice. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I want you guys to share this video. Please share this video out, please. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification button so you can know each time I upload a video. Comment down below and tell me what you think about my fried dumpling. And thank you again guys once more for watching my video. Bye until next time. Bye.